What have you got up here?
I've got Alice.
Alice? What can you tell me about Alice?
Alice is a Quarry loco. So
Quarry
these
loco.
are NG7 locos. They're actually O scale, which is bigger than what we normally show, but it runs on an HO width track.
So it's like a blown up 009.
Yes. So whereas 009 is HO running on an N scale track,
yeah,
this is O scale running on an HO track.
I like it.
So it's quite narrow.
I like it a lot. We had some Puff and Billy trains in the same scale once, didn't we?
We did.
Yes.
Indeed. So this would match up with one of those Haskell Puff and Billy locos.
Fantastic.
So running on the same sort of track.
What do you think it runs like though?
I reckon it'll run really well.
If only we knew.
Well, that's why I brought in the track.
Oh, did you?
You didn't know, did you?
Oh.
See, I like bringing surprises.
Oh.
There we go. There we go.
A bit sneaky.
So I brought in the DCC version. So DCC.
Full noise.
That's right. It's got sound. It's got the speaker built into it. And there is also a DC version if you just want to use it on a standard
Sometimes I
track.
just like to use those ones and just make the noises myself.
Well, it's whatever you like.
Yeah.
Because
I do.
You can do animal sounds and everything, right?
I do.
Pretend you're at the zoo or pretend you're on the moon.
The train?
Yep.
A bit weird.
Oh, that's nice.
Okay.
It's no different to making your own sounds. So here we go. This one is called Alice. Okay, this is an open cab. We do have closed cab versions of this shape as well.
Really? I like the convertible.
So these are brand new from Bachmann.
Oh, that's going to be a quality loco.
Yes, and you can already see the details on it, which we'll have a close look later. But let's get it going first, I reckon.
Don't suppose you cleaned the track, did you?
I didn't clean it, but we'll see. I think the track is pretty good.
Looks really shiny, actually.
All right, let's pop it there.
It's because I just hit it with the grinder.
All right. Did you now?
I was using one grit. I was rubbing a brick on it.
What about on there?
Uh-oh. Oh. Oh, you stalled it.
Has it started?
You stalled it.
It always intrigues me how good the sound is out of these now. They used to be really tinny.
I swear I can feel a breeze coming from it when it's doing that.
That's the same as when you're making your own sound.
That's me blowing it.
Wow, it's coming back. How good is that?
What else does it do? Go forward, start it up. Let it rip, Beach. Does it have a whistle?
Whistle?
Hit the direction button and turn it up. That's slowing it down. Hit the direction button. There we go. Send it.
I think we've got the brakes on.
There we go.
It's moving.
Look how good it runs.
Yeah, it's really smooth, isn't it?
Track.
Smooth as, yeah? Small puffs. How good is it? Let's do a bit. Oh. That is running so smoothly and so slowly. All right, let's change direction, yeah?
Yeah. Get in the frame so I can go to zoom 10.
All right. What have I done? Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Go off!
Let's go! Good brakes for now, guys. No, it's not that good. Oh, you got it.
Emergency brakes are helpful, aren't they?
Emergency brakes are the best. You're going to run it back to the frame? The people are just watching our track at the minute.
Oh, are they? Okay,
yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go, little train. Here it comes.
See if I can find some different sounds.
Yeah, all these ones. That is amazing.
Oh, I like that one. How good is it?
I think it's pretty good.
So it's actually got a flickering light in the firebox as well. It's a bit hard to show though.
Oh, look at it. I love playing trains with you. I've just taken it off now so I can get...
Yeah, let's get tight, yeah?
You drive the camera. I'll drive the hands.
How about I move this out of the way? Let's clear it up.
All right.
Take the track out of the way and we'll have a closer look at the loco.
Closer, look at the loco.
All right, let's get in.
Righty. Look at that.
I can't even read that. What's it say?
Look at that, beautiful. Yeah? That is gorgeous.
So there's Alice.
You could count those rivets if you wanted to. Pretty rudimentary running gear on it, isn't it? Looks hardy. Is that because it's a quarry train? Yeah,
well, I guess because there are some little, what do you call it, little goods trailers for it as well. There's a flat and there's also a little tubs.
Tiny little tinderbox. Is that just because it does short runs?
I guess so. I guess so.
And it's convertible. I love it. Open air.
But look at the gauges. Look at the detail on the gauge.
And down in here, I can't get my finger in there to point, but down in there, there's a flickering light from the firebox.
That's right.
LEDs.
That's it.
It's absolutely beautiful. I can't believe it. Bachmann absolutely smashing it out of the park.
So this is like 1/48 scale?
I don't know. There you go. I like it.
Isn't it? Isn't it nice?
It is nice. Oh, look at, you've got beautiful hands.
It's not the only thing I've got. So there's 4 different versions. There's 2 convertibles in 2 different colors.
Yep.
So there's Elizabeth as well.
Is there a green one?
Yes. And then there's 2 covered. So they've got quite big covers on them as well.
Yeah.
Basically the same shape. They've just arrived.
I love it.
And different wagons.
And they're flying out too. They haven't just arrived, Beach. We've only lucky got a couple left.
That's right.
So if you're into trains, get hold of Thunder Turbine. Yeah. And point you in this direction.
That's right. And if you've got an HOU layout already.
Yeah. We'll go straight on.
Well, it'll run as long as you don't have other buildings around it, but this will run just fine on it.
What do you mean buildings?
You know, if you've got buildings really close to it. Because it's a little bit wider, you see. So this HOU is narrow. That's why it's called narrow gauge.
I love it.
So it sticks out a little bit.
Goes on a little radius and everything.
That's right. That's right. See? Really tight.
That is beautiful, Beach.
Isn't it? There we go.
Let's go back to the car of the week. And you can check in with the punters.
All right.